Oh, but here's the reality that engineers like this are a rare breed, right? And no matter how good he is, he can only be in one place in a time. This person will sleep, he'll retire, and when he leaves, he actually takes a decades of knowledge together with him. It's very hard to put AI. People keep throwing the term AI around, right? But like, what does it really look like in practice? Okay? So basically, what is cognitive maintenance, right? This picture is, same pose as my picture, but it's not me in 20 years. But anyway, picture the most experienced engineer you know, right? So those of us who have been working in the maintenance field will probably know a person like this. So this is the old veteran who's seen it all. He's able to just walk into the plant and he can tell you just by listening, like what YT said, right? Hey, I have a problem coming up. I can even, based on my experience, estimate when it's going to likely fail. And this person also knows the ins and outs of your operational bottlenecks because of all the wealth of experience he has built, right? He's been here for so long that he knows that, hey, we keep spending money to fix this thing, right? But actually, I just buy a new one, it's much cheaper, right? Oh, but here's the reality that engineers like this are a rare breed, right? And no matter how good he is, he can only be in one place in a time. This person will sleep, he'll retire, and when he leaves, he actually takes a decades of knowledge together with him. I think this is a very common problem in this industry now, which is the brain drain, especially when these kind of engineers are leaving the field and lesser people are actually willing to take maybe maintenance jobs, right? But here's where cognitive maintenance come in. So what if we can actually multiply this person? So what if we can give every engineer on a team a system that watches your entire operation around the clock, never sleeps, learns from every single interaction, and puts every piece of data right at their fingertips instantly? So that's actually what we call cognitive maintenance. Basically, it's taking, condensing, and compressing all the information of this senior engineer and then applying it and using it as a force multiplier throughout your entire organization. So I can have this veteran engineer on demand whenever I want, 24/7.